The 10th similarity and difference between Eastern and Western civilizations. Theory of human nature. Western civilization emphasizes the evil of human nature, while Eastern civilization emphasizes the goodness of human nature. In philosophical and religious perspectives, exploring the essence of humanity, Eastern and Western civilizations exhibit distinctly different paths of understanding. Western civilization, deeply rooted in the fusion of ancient Greek philosophy and Hebrew religious tradition, tends to emphasize the latent evil in human nature. This concept is particularly prominent in Christian doctrine, which, with monotheism at its core, constructs an image of a sacred and majestic God and sets strict standards and boundaries for human moral behavior. According to Christianity, humans have fallen due to original sin and need to atone through faith and repentance to restore harmonious relations with God. This pessimistic interpretation of human nature has prompted Western society to form a cultural atmosphere emphasizing the rule of law, rules, and individual responsibility. Augustine's doctrine of the depravity of human nature, Hobbes' assertion that man is a wolf to man, and even the checks and balances designed in modern political systems all reflect this vigilance towards the darker side of human nature. This concept views morality as external norms, and through the establishment of a framework of sin and punishment, individuals must resist their inherent evil by adhering to sacred commandments, legal norms, and religious doctrine. In contrast, Eastern civilization tends to view human nature from a more optimistic and positive perspective. In Eastern culture, the goodness of human nature is seen as an inherent and discoverable potential. Eastern religious and philosophical systems typically do not emphasize the concept of a single deity, but rather focus on personal inner cultivation and moral practice to achieve the highest level of goodness. From Mencius's theory of the goodness of human nature, Zen's illumination of the mind and realization of one's true self, Wang Yangming's sages are everywhere, to Taoism's returning to the original simplicity and naturalness. All are positive affirmations of human nature and have shaped the cultural traits of Eastern society, which emphasize education, etiquette, and inner cultivation. Although Eastern civilization believes that human nature is inherently good, it also acknowledges that it can be obscured by external pollution or personal desires. Therefore, it advocates for the restoration and cultivation of one's virtuous nature through education, self-reflection, spiritual cultivation, and moral practice. This process involves internalizing virtue into individual conscious actions, embodying a journey of self-improvement and spiritual transcendence. I am Wu Huayu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University, and the founder of AI Philosophy.